Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles. Welcome to another Sunday Stata tip. Today I'm going to be talking about how to identify duplicates that are not exact duplicates in the data. So what I've done is a more simple example is I pulled in this auto data set twice again. The only difference being the second time that I pulled it in, I removed the miles per gallon information. But if you tried to drop duplicates by all variables or by the variables including miles per gallon, Stata would not think there's any duplicates because miles per gallon is missing for that second set of observations. And now we need to figure out a way to identify and drop those observations a different way. Now there are different ways to drop duplicates and it varies based on the data you're working with. If you have examples or things you're not sure about, comment below and we can add those to future Sunday Stata tip videos. But the way I'm going to do it today is I'm going to use a by sort command, and the reason I'm going to use a by sort command is because I know that Stata treats these missings like a huge positive value. So when I sort by make in miles per gallon, notice that the missing is actually higher than the 22. For example. So what I'm going to do is by make, I'm going to go ahead and sort, and then I'm going to gen, I have flag dup is equal to underscore n. Now underscore n is the relative row number. So this is the first row with the conquered. This is the second row with the conquered. Now notice that because I've sorted it, we have that the miles per gallon is in the second row, which means that what I can do is I can just say drop if flag dup is equal to 2. And now I have dropped the duplicates from the data. Again, this is one way to drop duplicates in this case, but hopefully this is helpful in getting you to think about how to drop not exact duplicates. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next week for another Sunday Stata tip here on In Case of Econ Struggles.